Hello and welcome to RDS Online. We are the UK's #1 display cabinets manufacturer. In this video, we will be taking a look at the glass and storage aluminium display cabinets range. This range comes with premium LED lighting. The range also features adjustable shelves, allowing for both small and larger items to be displayed. These glass cabinets are also fully lockable, presenting your items securely. Every display cabinet from RDS comes delivered fully assembled, meaning no construction is necessary. These glass display cabinets come in a variety of different colours, styles and sizes. If you need a cabinet designed to your specifications or are looking to fit out an entire store, we also provide bespoke and shop fitting services, and with a close relationship with various shipping networks, we are also able to deliver all these cabinets and services worldwide. If you want to order any of these cabinets, or for more info, head over to rdsonline.co.uk, or feel free to call and speak to one of our specialists to discuss your requirements. And if you can't find what you're looking for, see our other videos for even more incredible designs. Thank you.